Prithvi Shaw in an interview says he and his father are responsible for the cough syrup fiasco as he accepted that he was wrong in not consulting the team physio before gulping down the cough syrup which his father brought from the market. He was later banned for a while as he failed to clear the dope test. After I came back, I started my treatment and played the IPL, but then this cough syrup controversy came up. I think Dad and I are responsible for it. I remember we were playing the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy in Indore and I was down with cold and cough at that time. So I had gone out for dinner and was coughing a lot. So I spoke to my dad. He asked me to take the cough syrup available in the market. What I did wrong was I did not consult the physio, which was wrong on my part, he said. I took that syrup for 2 days, and on the third day, I had my dope test. So that's when I was detected positive for a banned substance. That was a really difficult phase for me, and I can't even express in words. I was worried about my image and what would people think about me. That is when I went for London to stay away from all this. There too, I didn't step out of my room much, Shaw added.